Hello friends, welcome to Techno Kamakhya. Here is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a comprehensive review. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been making waves in the tech community, building upon its predecessors to deliver a more refined and feature-rich foldable smartphone experience. In this review, we'll delve into the key aspects of the Z Fold 7, highlighting its design, display, performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. Design and build quality. Samsung has made notable strides in the design of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, focusing on creating a sleeker and more portable device. By transitioning from electromagnetic resonance (EMR) technology to active electrostatic (AES) for the S Pen, Samsung has eliminated the need for a digitizer layer in the display. This change has resulted in a reduction of the device's thickness by 0.6 mm, making it more comfortable to hold and carry. The hinge mechanism has also been redesigned for enhanced durability and smoother operation, addressing concerns from previous models. Additionally, the device boasts improved water and dust resistance, potentially exceeding the IP48 rating of its predecessor, thereby increasing its resilience to everyday wear and tear. Display. The Z Fold 7 features a 7.6-inch LTPO AMOLED main display with a resolution of 1856 by 2160 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. The cover screen has been expanded to 6.5 inches with a wider aspect ratio, making it more practical for tasks like texting and browsing when the device is folded. Samsung has also minimized the crease on the foldable display, resulting in a more seamless and immersive viewing experience. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring seamless multitasking and efficient performance. It comes equipped with 12 GB of RAM and offers storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB, catering to varying user needs. The device runs on Samsung's One UI 7.1, which introduces AI-driven features like predictive text and intelligent app suggestions, enhancing the overall user experience. Camera. Samsung has significantly upgraded the camera system in the Z Fold 7. The device now features a 200MP main camera sensor, borrowed from the Galaxy S25 Ultra, delivering exceptional image quality with intricate details and vibrant colors. The under-display camera has been removed in favor of a more traditional setup, prioritizing clarity and performance. This change enhances the overall imaging experience, catering to both photography enthusiasts and casual users. Battery life. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 retains the same 4,400 mAh battery capacity as its predecessor, which may disappoint users expecting a larger battery to support the device's enhanced features. However, Samsung has focused on optimizing power efficiency to deliver reliable performance throughout the day for average users. The device supports 25W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W reverse wireless charging, offering versatile options for keeping the device powered. Conclusion. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents a significant step forward in the evolution of foldable smartphones. With its refined design, enhanced display, powerful performance, and improved camera system, it offers a compelling package for users seeking a premium and versatile device. However, the removal of S Pen support and the unchanged battery capacity may be points of contention for some users. Overall, the Z Fold 7 solidifies Samsung's position as a leader in the foldable smartphone market, pushing the boundaries of mobile technology.